You already know what our solar system looks like. 8 planets, a sun at the center, neat circular orbits on a textbook diagram. You think you understand it. Contained. Familiar. Safe. That familiarity is exactly what makes what lies beyond it so difficult to accept. Because here is what most people are never told. Our entire solar system, every planet, every moon, everything humanity has ever seen or touched, exists inside a bubble. A bubble that is actively being attacked from outside. And the moment that bubble fails, everything inside it dies. The sun does not just produce light and heat. It produces something called the heliosphere, a vast magnetic shield generated by the solar wind, traveling at 400 kilometers per second, extending outward past every planet, all the way to a boundary 23 billion kilometers from where you are sitting right now. That boundary is called the heliopause. It is the edge of everything humanity has ever called home. In 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1. Its mission was simple: photograph the outer planets, send the images back. But NASA kept it running. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the first human-made object to leave our solar system entirely and enter what most people assume is simply empty space. It is not empty. What Voyager found forced NASA scientists to rewrite everything. The radiation outside that boundary, raw, unfiltered, cosmic radiation that our heliosphere had been silently blocking for the entirety of Earth's existence, was orders of magnitude more intense than anything inside our bubble. Cosmic rays. Subatomic particles accelerated to near the speed of light by supernova explosions, colliding neutron stars, the jets of supermassive black holes firing across hundreds of millions of light years. When a cosmic ray strikes human DNA, it does not damage it. It shreds it. Voyager measured radiation levels outside the heliosphere that would deliver a lethal dose to an unprotected human in days. Every day you are alive, the heliosphere absorbs that bombardment on your behalf. You have never once thought to think it, but that is not the most disturbing thing outside our solar system. In 2003, astronomers found a region of space 300 million light-years across, where the temperature of the universe is measurably, impossibly colder than everywhere else. They called it the cold spot. The leading explanation is supervoid, a region containing almost no matter so vast that light loses energy passing through it. But there is a second explanation, one that cosmologists have refused to abandon. Despite the discomfort it creates, the cold spot may be the imprint of another universe, pressing against ours. A scar, left by a collision with something operating under entirely different laws of physics than anything we have ever studied. We may be looking at a bruise, on the edge of reality itself. And then there is the Great Attractor. Every galaxy in a region of space 150 million light-years across, including our own Milky Way, is moving toward a single point, 250 million light-years away. Something is pulling everything toward it, at 600 kilometers per second. We cannot see it. Our own galaxy blocks the view. We know it is there only because of what it is doing to us. And the most honest answer science can give you is that we do not fully understand what it is. You are not standing still. You have never stood still. You are on a rock orbiting a star being pulled toward something we cannot identify, inside a magnetic bubble that is the only thing separating every living thing on Earth from an environment that would end it. Beyond that bubble is a cold spot that may be the scar of a collision with another universe. A great attractor pulling everything we know toward something invisible, and interstellar space filled not with peaceful, empty darkness, but with particles fired from dying stars, traveling at the speed of light, in every direction, forever. You were never told any of this, not because it was hidden, but because the universe outside our solar system is not a backdrop. It is an environment, a hostile, indifferent, incomprehensibly vast environment that has been pressing against everything you have ever known for 4 billion years. And the only thing standing between that environment and everything you have ever loved is a bubble that nobody ever told you was there.